How to activate Dubai Islamic Bank debit card. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Login Giants. Now without any further ado, let's jump straight into the process. Firstly, open any of the web browser and search for dibbank.com. This will lead you to Dubai Islamic Bank official page. Now what you have to do is click on this option of more. Over here you're gonna find different sections. Go to this section of debit cards, click on it. Now scroll all the way down. Over here you're gonna find benefits of activating debit card. Here you will be able to find different methods to activate Visa debit card. The first method is through mobile and internet banking application. You can get the application easily from the App Store or Play Store, and then you can easily log into your DIB internet banking and then go to the card activation option, provide one-time validation PIN, and then you will be able to easily activate your debit card. Likewise, the second way is through DIB phone banking. You can use this customer call of DIB phone banking, and then after you are verified by phone banking officer through security questions, you will be able to easily activate your debit card. Likewise, the third option is for internet banking customers. They can easily log into DIB internet banking and select card management option, provide one-time PIN verification, and then easily activate Dubai Islamic Bank debit card. So these are the ways to activate your Dubai Islamic Bank Visa debit card. This was all for this video. If this video was helpful to you, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.